Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing and take a little time to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we are covering tip number 4 in our Easy Momentum Daily Tips. And tip number 4 is called Invite Pleasant Surprises. So if you are new here, this is an opportunity to connect with an area of your life where you would like to gain some easy momentum. And if you've been with me so far, starting from day number 1, then I invite you to kind of bring that area of life into your awareness. And we're going to explore how you can invite pleasant surprises as part of accessing easy momentum. So the thing to think about as we warm up to this new tip is think about where you need or want to know. You have this driving need to know, whether it's knowing what to do, knowing how to do it, knowing how to make certain things happen in order to get momentum, just this need to know. And you've been problem solving and trying to gather data. Well, here's a clue. The need to know can actually block or slow down your momentum. So we're going to talk about the tip that opens up the flow gates. So just bring that into your awareness. And if you're new to me, if you've never met me before, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And the way that I do this is that I teach outcome-driven people the one skill that most of them are missing, which is how to receive. Because you see, ambitious goal-oriented people tend to have a unique set of blind spots and behaviors that cause them to overdevelop their hunter skills in pursuit of their goals and dreams. They're really good at pursuing while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow them to welcome into their lives what they've been working so hard for. So this imbalance of pursuing versus receiving is actually the cause of their upper limits. And that's what we do here. We just stop the overdoing, we explore how to receive, and then we welcome and open up the energy of ease, speed as you move beyond your upper limits. Hey Brenda, I'm glad you could meet me here today. Good to see you. Hi David. So today we're going to talk about tip number 4, which is invite pleasant surprises. So here's the thing to understand about your need to know. This is very, very surprising to a lot of people. In order to gain momentum, you don't need to know anything. That's right. You don't need to know anything. What you need to do instead is to receive everything that life is giving you and know how to relate to what life is giving you. Because when life is giving to you and you receive it, that's momentum. That's like when you're on a boat and you raise the sail and life is giving you wind. If you know how to catch the wind, you go faster with ease and speed. But when you don't know how to catch the wind and you either don't put your sail up or you just keep rowing because that's what you think you need to do, which is to work harder, you don't get the momentum of life supporting you. So when you need to know something, this is what's happening in consciousness, because your consciousness creates your reality. When you need to know, your mind, your consciousness is in sorting mode. So it's being very selective. Okay, this I know, this makes sense. This doesn't work, this doesn't make sense. So you're receiving what you think is important or relevant. You're pushing away what you think is not. And your consciousness is not receiving. It is sorting. It's working hard to organize and interpret, and it's in working hard mode. So when you're working hard, your energy is outwardly focused. But when you relax the need to know and you open up your mind and you stay in the energy of I don't know, now you can be unselective and receive all sorts of things that life is giving you. The key here to being a really great receiver is to shift from acting like the hunter to the tree. Now, what does the tree do? It receives everything life gives it all day long. The sun, the water, the earth, everything, even the stinky poop that fertilizes it. But what it knows how to do is how to let what life gives it move on through. So when you are receiving things from life and practicing being unselective, there's two ways to relate to what life gives you. If it feels good, if it feels relevant, savor it, experience it fully, and then do what's in front of you. And if it feels bad or it feels irrelevant, soothe yourself. That might mean just let it go. Or that might mean just be kind to yourself. If what life is giving you is agitation or a trigger, just let it be here. Be kind to yourself. It will move on through. Then do what's in front of you. So you savor and soothe, which keeps the flow going, allowing you to be unselective. And then what that does is it speeds up the momentum because you're able to receive things from life that you could never figure out on your own with your mind in pursuing hunter mode. So that's the tip. Remember, you don't need to know anything to gain momentum. You need to instead receive everything life is giving you. So here is your practice. This is from the Receive Oracle card deck, and the principle is be unselective. And your awareness practice is the affirmation on here, which is, I am willing to be pleasantly surprised. Just practice that. Every time you find yourself in I need to know, sorting mode, figuring out mode, stop, because surpassing your limits is not about working harder. It's about training your awareness. Just stop if the figuring out isn't working for you. If it is, great, go there. That's the wind. You've caught the wind of things are really working out in my brain. But if you feel like the momentum has been bound up, stop and just say, I am willing to be pleasantly surprised. You can say it all day long. I love giving this to my clients. Every time they practice this, they come back with all kinds of things that have surprised them. So if figuring out and pursuing and hunting isn't working for you, stop, shift from pursuing to receiving, take a breath. I am willing to be pleasantly surprised, and then watch what you receive. Hey, Kaya, great to see you. Glad you could make it. So that is your awareness practice. All right. I can't wait to hear how you do with it. Please check in. Please check in the comments below. If you found this helpful, if you found this actually exciting, maybe something to try out, please like, please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. If you're on YouTube, click the red subscribe button. I'll let you know when I'm releasing other videos. And if you'd like to really get into the groove of these easy momentum tips, just go to easymomentumtips.com. You'll find at least 4 different ways that you can get the videos and be really plugged into this on a daily basis to activate your momentum. Now, here we're activating our momentum. If you want to energize your momentum, which helps you keep it actually going, then save the date, Saturday the 21st. I'm going to be doing a brand new workshop called Get Easy Momentum, the workshop. All right. And I'll let you know all about how you can find more information and register probably next week. So I hope you like this. Thanks for being here. Practice, have fun, and remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Have a great day. Bye.